Hi, this is Alex from Beech Hill Garage. Just giving you a walk round description of the 1964 Hillman Super Minx that we've got available at the moment. As you can see, it's in a delightful colour combination. I believe it's fern green with white foam roof. Car has never been restored. Mileage is just coming up to 29,000 miles. Car has been with two elderly sisters more or less since new. Car was originally supplied by Reading Garages in Reading. I'll show you the little plaque on the door in a moment just to illustrate that. As I say, car's not been restored. Had a couple of little bits of paintwork here and there. We're waiting to do a little bit of paintwork on the top of the driver's door, just where the paint's flaked a little bit. You can probably see it in the photo. But overall, the car is in outstanding condition. As I say, bearing in mind it's not being restored. You know, there are a couple of marks, but they're only ever original once, as they say. Paint's got a good deep gloss to it, bearing in mind it is mostly original. Really attractive in this colour combination. Car was on its original cross-ply tyres when it came to us, so we've swapped it out for a set of white wall radials with a little thin band, which was an option when the car was new. Car certainly drives a lot better on these replacement tyres. There's no rust that we can see anywhere on the car. We've been underneath it, had a really good look. It's all really solid, heavily undersealed from new, it's not been disturbed. We did some recommissioning work on the car, primarily the brakes. Brake master cylinder was reconditioned. It's had a reconditioned clutch master cylinder and clutch slave cylinder as well. Service, oil change, coolant, hoses, everything to make it reliable. One thing we are waiting on is the petrol tank is away being reconditioned at the moment because the car had been sat so long. We're a little concerned about the potential of dragging dirt through. So as I say, that's away at the moment. Car is running from a can in the boot, which is why you can probably see there's a little rubber hose hanging down. You know, nice original features, still on its original number plates. Just give you a look at the interior. Back seat doesn't look like it's been heavily used. Still got its original carpets. Let's just try and get rid of that sun a little bit. Pseudo bench front seat with a floor gear change. It's got a wonderful smell that all 60s cars seem to have, a combination of glue and vinyl. There's the original supply and dealer's plaque. Reading Garage, Roots main dealers. No longer there, I'm afraid. As I say, original carpets, so they're a bit faded, but in nice condition overall. Dashboard's reasonably tidy. Everything's original. Still got the fur flex around the doors. Car has been fitted with seat belts. In the wardrobe bills, there's a receipt for that in about 1967, I think. The service history is quite remarkable. An awful lot of information comes with the car. Appears to have been seldom used, sort of 2000 onwards, but otherwise it was regular trips to the MOT station. Don't know if you can see, it's just 28,883. Just start it up for you. It's a little bit cold still. Probably needs a little bit of throttle. Just bear with me.